Basic concept in nature. The basic concepts in nature refer to fundamental ideas that explain the behavior of natural systems. Examples of basic concepts in nature include energy, matter, and systems. For instance, the movement of energy through ecosystems and the cycling of matter within ecosystems are basic concepts in nature that help explain how ecosystems function. Ecosystem. An ecosystem is a complex community of living and non-living things that interact with each other in a specific environment. Ecosystems can vary in size, from a small pond to a large forest, and they are interconnected through various ecological processes, such as nutrient cycling and energy flow. An example of an ecosystem is a coral reef, which includes a diverse community of organisms, such as fish, coral, and algae, and their surrounding physical environment, such as water and rocks. Population ecology. Population ecology is the study of how populations of living organisms interact with their environment. It includes topics such as population growth, population size, and population dynamics, such as birth rates, death rates, and migration. An example of population ecology is the study of a population of deer in a forest, including how the population size changes over time and the factors that influence population growth or decline. Habitat. A habitat is the natural environment where an organism or a population of organisms lives, including the biotic and abiotic factors that influence their survival and reproduction. A habitat can be a specific location, such as a coral reef, or a more general area, such as a temperate forest. An example of a habitat is a wetland, which provides a unique environment for a variety of plant and animal species that are adapted to living in wet conditions. Basic concepts in ecology. Ecology is the scientific study of how organisms interact with each other and their environment. Here are some basic concepts in ecology. Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including the number of species, their genetic diversity, and the diversity of ecosystems. Biodiversity is essential for the functioning of ecosystems and provides many important benefits to humans, such as food, medicine, and ecological services. Energy flow. Energy flows through ecosystems in a one-way process, from the sun to producers, plants and algae, then to consumers, herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores, and finally to decomposers, bacteria and fungi. This energy flow is critical for maintaining the balance and functioning of ecosystems. Nutrient cycling. Nutrient cycling refers to the movement of nutrients, such as carbon, nitrogen, and phosphorus, through ecosystems. These nutrients are taken up by plants and then passed through the food chain, eventually returning to the soil through the decomposition of dead organisms. Nutrient cycling is important for maintaining the productivity of ecosystems and supporting the growth of plants and other organisms. Population dynamics. Population dynamics refers to the study of how populations of organisms change over time, including factors such as birth rates, death rates, immigration, and emigration. Understanding population dynamics is important for managing and conserving wildlife populations and for predicting the impacts of environmental change. Succession. Succession is the process by which ecosystems change over time, as new species colonize an area and replace earlier ones. This can occur in response to natural disturbances, such as fires or storms, or human activities, such as land use change or pollution. These are just a few examples of the basic concepts in ecology. Other important concepts include ecosystem services, biotic and abiotic factors, food webs and chains, and ecological niches, which we will discuss in our next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Concepts in